Hello friends, thanks for joining me today for our Preschool STEM University story time. My name is Miss Irene and we are going to be reading a very fun and silly book today with no pictures. But before we do that, we are going to do our welcome song. Say good morning, get some wiggles out, and move a little bit with our friends. So we're going to start with a wave and we go, we wave and sing hello, we wave and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we wave and sing hello. And next we're going to clap our hands. Ready? We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we clap and sing hello. And next we're going to stomp our feet. Ready? Can you stomp your feet? We stomp and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we stomp and sing hello. And we're going to jump as high as we can. Try to touch the sky or the ceiling, wherever you are. Ready? We jump and sing hello. We jump and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we jump and sing hello. Nice job, everyone. Awesome jumps. My favorite is the jumps, really. All right, everybody, are you ready for our story? I am ready for our story. It is super fun, and it is called The Book with No Pictures. How are we supposed to enjoy a book with no pictures? Well, let's see, because this one's pretty fun. This is a book with no pictures. It might seem like no fun to have someone read you a book with no pictures. It probably seems boring and serious, except, let's see. Here is how books work. Everything the words say, the person reading the book has to say. Oh no. No matter what. That's the deal. That's the rule. So that means if the words say, blork. Wait, what? That doesn't even mean anything. Blurf. Wait a second, what? This isn't the kind of book I wanted to read, and I have to say every word the book says? Uh-oh. I am a monkey who taught myself to read. Hey, I'm not a monkey. And now I am reading you this book with my monkey mouth and my monkey voice. That's not true. I'm not a monkey. Yes, I am a monkey. Also, I am a robot monkey. What? Oh my goodness. And my head is made of blueberry pizza. Wait a second. Is this whole book a trick? Can I please stop reading? No. Oh my gosh. And now it's time for me to sing you my favorite song. A song? Do I really have to sing a glug, 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 my face is a bug. I eat ants for breakfast right off the rug. What? Oh my gosh. This book is ridiculous. Can I stop reading yet? No. Ugh, there are more pages. I have to read the rest. Oh my goodness. My only friend in the whole wide world is a hippo named Boo Boo Butt. Boo Boo Butt? What kind of a name is that? And also, the kid I'm reading this book to is the best kid ever in the history of the entire world. Oh, really? And this kid is the smartest kid too, because this kid chose this book, even though it had no pictures. Because kids know this is the book that makes grown-ups have to say silly things. And make silly sounds like, oh no, here it comes. Glurgawakamagrumpadoo, broop, 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 oomph, blaggity, blaggity, glibbity, globbity, glibbity, bloop, beep, boop, badoongy face. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Please don't ever make me read this book again. It is so silly. In fact, it is completely and utterly preposterous. Next time, please, 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 please choose a book with pictures. Please, because this is just too ridiculous to read. The end. Bonk. I didn't want to say that. Oh my gosh, you guys. I mean, I had a lot of fun with this book. I hope you did. And if you want the adults or older siblings or grandparents in your life to read this book to you and have to make silly sounds, then you can check it out at the library. It's called The Book with No Pictures. So you can give us a call and ask for it, or place it on hold. Ask one of your adults to place it on hold, and maybe they'll do it if you don't tell them the secret that they have to make silly sounds. All right, friends. So today, in honor of our book with silly sounds and noises, we're going to make a kazoo out of a straw. It's pretty easy. It's super fun. And then you have a super fun noisemaker to bring with you around the house. So all you need for this is a straw and some scissors. So whatever straws you have or find, if you've got ones with the bendies, that's okay, but you're going to use this end for our purposes. So you might need some help with this. Have a grown-up help you, and then you can make as much noise as you want to your heart's content with this awesome kazoo. So I'm going to show you how to make it first, and then we'll make the sounds together. Okay, so I used a skinny straw for my first one, but I'm going to try this thick straw, this smoothie straw that I have, to see if it works, how it works with this one. So what you kind of want to do is just flatten it out a little bit and just kind of hold a spot here, and then you're going to cut a nice long cut all the way up to the middle of the straw on the top. So we're making a flap. And we're going to flip it over and cut on the same spot there on the other side, so it's the same length of cut here. All right, so now we've got these two flaps. So you're going to take the straw and line up the flaps with your lip, like that. Okay, and then, ooh. That's pretty fun. This one sounds really good because it's a big, thick straw. This one is a little bit quieter. They're both pretty fun. But also, if you want to change the sound, you can only do this so many times because you'll lose your straw. But as you're blowing on your kazoo, or it gets higher and higher pitched as you cut parts of your straw off, so that's pretty fun. But if you just want one sound kazoo, that works too, and you can just play your kazoo now. Oh my. I messed it up. But these ones make some very silly noises, even sillier than some of these, I'd say. So they're super fun, and it'll be lots of fun. Maybe do these outside so that it's not too noisy in the house. All right, friends, thank you for joining me today for our Preschool STEM University. I had a lot of fun. I hope you have a lot of fun. If you make your noisemaker, maybe you can bring it to the library and show me outside or something, because that would be super cool, because I love to see your noisemakers. All right, my friends, have a wonderful rest of your day. But before we go, we're going to do our goodbye song. I almost forgot our goodbye song. We start with a wave, and we go, see you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile, give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish, see you soon, big baboon, out the door, dinosaur, take care, polar bear, wave goodbye, butterfly. Awesome job, friends. Thank you for joining me today. I had a wonderful time. I hope you did too. I will see you next week for another story time, and have a great rest of your week. Bye, everybody.